So we've got to the point now where we've got the rubber glued down, and we managed to put the trim on last Saturday. So we just need to now go around and trim the excess rubber from the roof itself, just to neaten all that up. The only thing that really remains on this now is the soffit, and I won't do the front until the electrician's done his first fix, but I can do the back and the sides, and then I've got the gutter and a couple of corner pieces that I needed to get some extra material to do. But today's job is going to be to fit this soffit along, try and get at least the back done here. So I've got some nails to remove. I need to measure that up and fit that. I just want to get that done as soon as possible, really, to stop any kind of insects getting in or any issues like that. It's been a productive few days, and I've managed to get the soffits done on both the sides and then down here at the back. We've also put the soffit in, put the vents in, you can see there. Got the vents. Those are just because I think the back of this is maybe a bit more vulnerable to water ingress, as that is where the lowest part of the roof is. And so I put ventilation along all the joists, put insect mesh to stop them getting through, and then I've put those 3 ventilation points in to allow it to breathe, allow airflow through that part of the soffit, so it's insulated at the wall anyway, so I'm not worried about losing heat. Then we've got the guttering as well, so it comes down the middle, and the plan is to have a couple of water butts back here, which we can use in the summer for watering plants, hence why it's in the middle there. And I think for overflow I'll probably end up having maybe a little channel that comes out here.